All right, in this video, we are going to be talking about how to make $75 a day creating quizzes. For this method, you will need a ClickFunnels account to create the funnel and an email autoresponder to respond to the emails. So how do we get people from Facebook or our YouTube to our quiz to make that sale? Well, what we want to do is we want to use a opt-in. So in this case, or this example, I'm going to recommend or say that we are promoting a plan that helps people increase their muscle mass. Now, for this opt-in, what I would give away is a free PDF on 2 full body workouts that they can alternate between days. Now, our YouTube would provide people with that content on how they can improve their situation and achieve their muscle building goal. And the same with Facebook. I would target people who were interested in the same thing as well. These are 2 options that you could use, and I recommend you use even any other ads like Google AdWords or anything like that. So once they go into our opt-in and they grab our workout, we will send them over to our thank you page. Now, our thank you page is just going to be something very simple, a little video. It's just like, hey, thanks for signing up. I hope you enjoy these workouts. I work really hard on them for you. And then we will be sending them follow-up emails, all right? And we'll be following up with them in a email series that's probably about 21 emails long, because the industry average is about, you need to make a sale, you need about 7 to 10 contacts with your lead. But just to keep things short here, we'll just use 4 for an example. Now, our thank you page will lead to email 1. And the thank you page will be like, hey, check out our email that we sent to you. That's where you'll get your free PDF on my 2 workouts. Now, in email 1, it'll send that and a little bit of information about yourself and how you're ready to help them and willing to be there to support them through their journey. And then you'll be like, hey, I want to help you out, decide or figure out what your goals are. So why don't you take my quiz? And then this, again, is all created within ClickFunnels. So they go through the email and they go to ClickFunnels to the quiz that you created. And then you will do the same thing as well in email 2. You could provide value, maybe send them over back to YouTube with a valuable video on what is the best protein or when's the best time to take your protein to build muscle mass. But in the email, if they haven't already, we'll be like, hey, don't forget to check out my quiz. And then the third email will kind of maybe show some testimonials about people who have used the program and shown their progress pictures, and be like, hey, if you haven't checked out my quiz, check out the quiz. And then the 4th email or 5th email, after we wait a day, we'll do the same thing, but we'll be like, hey, I have a discount if you decide to use it. Here is discount code 20 off. Use it after you take the quiz. So what the quiz will do, it'll siphon out our leads that we gathered in our opt-in and that are now in our email list, and it'll help us better cater to their needs. So what we'll have is we'll have a beginner muscle building plan, a intermediate muscle building plan, or an advanced muscle building plan. And then our quiz will funnel it out to whichever is in the best interest for the lead. And then on each sale page, they will be sold, and if it is what they want and it will help them, you will make that sale. It's pretty simple, and there are plenty of people out there making $75 a day or more creating simple quizzes like this that you can create with ClickFunnels and an email autoresponder, all of which I have left in links to the description if you decide to use this method. It's a pretty cool method. It's that marketers are using, and you should definitely give it a shot if you're having trouble finding the right product for your leads. This just helps it out and makes it so much easier. And if this video gets really popular, I will definitely make a follow-up series to this Make a $75 a Day creating quizzes, and show you how to make your own quiz so you can kind of follow this template. But this just kind of gives you a quick overview of what you can do and what you can kind of achieve when you use ClickFunnels and an email responder to create a quiz. So if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.